Welcome back to channel Upgrade English Pro. If someone says they turned me down, did they reduce something? If water is on the floor, do you clean it or wipe it up? And if someone runs over a cat, are they running or driving? So today in this video we will learn 5 daily life phrasal verbs. Number 1. Run over. So run over has two common meanings. One, to hit someone or something with a vehicle. Two, to go beyond planned time. So let's understand by example. The dog was run over by a car. So this relates with the first meaning. Second, the meeting ran over by 10 minutes. So this sentence relates with the second meaning. So run over can be used either hit or exceed time. Number 2. Turn down. Turn down has two common meanings. To refuse an offer or request. It also means to reduce the volume. So let's understand by example. C turned down the proposal of Y. So here in this case there is a refusal. Second, please turn down the music. So someone is requesting to reduce the volume of music. So turn down can be used with refuse or reduce the volume. Number 3. Wipe up. Wipe up means to clean liquid with cloth or tissue that spilled on any object or on surface. So let's understand by example. Please wipe up the water on the mirror. Number 2. C wiped up the spilled milk. So wipe up can be used to clean liquid. Number 4. Make fun of means laugh at someone or provoke someone. So let's understand by example. They made fun of the boy. Do not make fun of people's mistakes. So, make fun of can be used, mock or laugh at. Number 5. Aim at. Aim at means point toward, have a goal. So, he is aiming at the gun target. Number 2. This course aims at beginners. So, aim at can be used either with target or goal. So let's quickly revise. Run over, hit, exceed, turn down, refuse, wipe up, clean liquid, make fun of, mock, aim at, target, goal. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment below which phrasal verb you use most. So see you in next session. Thank you.